Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I am Mohamad Safuan bin Mohamad Idrus, student number 2023199761 from class NBH6B. Today I'm going to talk about a current issue in training and development, which is transfer of training in hybrid and flexible work environments. The article I am reviewing is titled Transfer of Training from an Internalization Bootcamp to the Workplace, written by Kering and colleagues and published in 2021. This article focuses on how training outcomes are transferred from structured training program into real workplace practice. Even though the study is conducted in the medical field, the issue discussed is very relevant to all types of organization, including corporate and service industry. This is because many organizations today invest heavily in training but still face challenge when employees fail to apply what they have learned at work. Therefore, this article provides useful insight into why transfer of training is difficult and what factors can support or hinder it. In this video, I will explain the main issue discussed in the article, why it happens, how it affects organization and employees, and what can be done to improve training transfer. The main issue highlighted in this article is that employees often attend training but struggle to use what they learn at work. The problem is known as transfer of training. Transfer of training means how well employees apply new knowledge and skill from training to their actual job tasks. The article shows that learning does not automatically lead by better performance in today's hybrid and flexible work environment. This issue becomes more serious because employees may not receive enough support, guidance, and chance to practice what they learn. The article explains several reasons why training is not always applied at work. First, employees may not get enough support from supervisor after training. Without feedback or encouragement, they may return to old habits. Second, there may be limited opportunities to practice new skills in the real workplace. Third, the work environment may not support change, especially if colleagues are not open to new methods. In hybrid work setting, this problem can increase because employees work remotely and have fewer face-to-face interaction with manager and teammates. When training does not transfer to the workplace, it affects both organization and employees. For organization, it means time and money spent on training are wasted. Productivity may not improve and performance may remain the same. For employees, it can lead to frustration and a low confidence, especially when they feel training does not help them do their job better. The article clearly shows that without proper support, training alone is not enough to create real improvement. The article supports the idea that training success depends on more than just good content. It highlights the importance of the work environment, including supervision, teamwork, and workplace culture. This shows that training must be supported after it ends. In hybrid and flexible work environment, organizations need to be more intentional in helping employees apply what they learn. Based on the article and my own truth, There are several ways organization can improve training transfer. First, managers should follow up after training, even through online meeting or message. Second, organizations should create real tasks or small projects that allow employees to practice new skills. Third, peer support is important. Employees should be encouraged to share experience and learn from each other. Finally, training outcome should be linked to performance review or recognition, so employees feel motivated to apply what they learn. In conclusion, the article by Kering and colleagues show that transfer of training is major challenge in today's workplace. In hybrid and flexible work environment, this challenge become even greater due to reduced supervision and interaction. To solve the problem, organization must provide continued support, opportunities to practice, and a positive learning environment. That's all. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day and bye bye.